Chronic kidney disease (CKD) is a serious condition characterized by the gradual loss of kidney function over time. To treat CKD, people usually take medicine, change their lifestyle, and sometimes get dialysis or a new kidney. But new research says that certain foods might also help fix kidney damage. One of these foods is red grapes. Red grapes are special because they have stuff in them that could help your kidneys. Let's see how red grapes might help fix kidney problems and keep your kidneys healthy. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: how red grapes can help reverse kidney damage. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Antioxidant-rich composition. Red grapes are like little health superheroes, especially for our kidneys. They're full of good stuff called antioxidants, such as resveratrol, flavonoids, and quercetin. These antioxidants are like shields that protect our kidneys from bad things called free radicals, which can cause trouble. By gobbling up these free radicals, red grapes help keep our kidneys safe from harm and reduce any swelling or pain. So, munching on red grapes isn't just yummy. It's like giving our kidneys a big, healthy hug, making sure they stay strong and happy for the long haul. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a hallmark of kidney damage and disease progression. The anti-inflammatory properties of red grapes can help mitigate inflammation in the kidneys, potentially slowing down the progression of CKD and preserving renal function. Blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure hypertension is a common complication of kidney disease and can further damage the kidneys. Red grapes contain natural compounds that help relax blood vessels and regulate blood pressure, reducing the strain on the kidneys and supporting overall cardiovascular health. Protection against fibrosis. Kidney fibrosis, characterized by the excessive accumulation of scar tissue in the kidneys, is a common feature of CKD. Research suggests that certain compounds found in red grapes may help inhibit the development of fibrosis, thereby preserving renal structure and function. Improved blood sugar control. Diabetes is a leading cause of kidney disease, as high blood sugar levels can damage the kidneys over time. Red grapes, particularly when consumed as part of a balanced diet, may help improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of diabetic kidney complications. Enhanced blood flow and oxygen delivery. The nutrients and compounds present in red grapes support healthy blood flow and oxygen delivery to the kidneys, promoting tissue repair and regeneration. Improved circulation can aid in the removal of toxins and waste products from the kidneys, facilitating the reversal of kidney damage. Incorporating red grapes into your diet. Enjoying red grapes as part of a kidney-friendly diet can be a delicious and convenient way to support renal health. Whether eaten fresh as a snack, added to salads, or incorporated into smoothies and desserts, red grapes offer versatility and nutritional value. However, it's essential to consume them as part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins for maximum benefit. Consultation with healthcare professionals. While red grapes show promise in supporting kidney health and potentially reversing kidney damage, it's important to remember that they are just one component of a comprehensive treatment plan for CKD. Individuals with kidney disease should work closely with their healthcare providers, including nephrologists and dietitians, to develop personalized dietary and lifestyle strategies tailored to their specific needs and medical history. Special note: red grapes, with their antioxidant-rich composition and numerous health-promoting properties, hold promise as a natural intervention for reversing kidney damage and supporting renal wellness. While further research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms underlying their beneficial effects, incorporating red grapes into a kidney-friendly diet may offer valuable support for individuals with CKD. As part of a holistic approach to kidney health, red grapes represent a delicious and accessible option for those seeking to optimize renal function and enhance overall well-being.